Join me for day 8 of the 21-day EFT Self-Concept Challenge. Today we're rewiring worthiness. We are inherently worthy. We don't have to earn it. Healing self-worth at the root. So this is activating the solar plex chakra, the root chakra, and the heart chakra. I invite you to take a deep breath. Follow along. Repeat after me. Even though I've believed I had to earn love, validation, or worth, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I've questioned my worth for most of my life, I now choose to believe I'm inherently enough. Even though I've carried this unworthiness story for years, I choose to rewire my entire system with love and truth. I've struggled with feeling worthy. I thought I had to prove my value. I've chased perfection to feel enough. I've tied my worth to achievement and still felt like it wasn't enough. I see how deeply this has affected me. I've carried this belief for too long. I'm ready to let it go. Let's release that unworthiness. I release the belief that I am not enough. I let go of old stories that taught me I had to earn love. I'm done proving myself. I was always worthy, even then. I released the programming that told me otherwise. I clear this belief from my body and mind. I release it from my nervous system. I am free from unworthiness. We're going to remember the truth now. Back to the eyebrow. I am inherently worthy. My worth is not up for debate. It was never about what I did. It was always about who I am. I am enough just as I am. I am safe to feel valuable. I don't need to earn my worth. I was born with it. I reclaim that truth now. We're going to anchor in that worthiness during this round. Back to the eyebrow. I anchor into my enoughness. I feel it in my body. I feel it in my heart. I am worthy of love. Charlie wants to tap with us. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of rest, joy, peace. I am worthy of being me. I am worthy, always have been. I speak to every cell in my body now. I rewire myself with worthiness. I send love to every belief that forgot the truth. I'm rebuilding from truth and light. I allow myself to receive worthiness. I'm expanding into it now. It's safe to feel valuable. I am wired for worthiness. Let's step into our power this round, back to the eyebrow. I own my worth from this day forward. I don't need anyone's permission. I walk with confidence and inner power. I radiate from the inside out. I stand tall in who I am. I lead from worth, not fear. I honor my truth. I am worthy of being fully me. Last round. I trust my worth now. I embody it with ease. I live from it every day. I deserve all that aligns with it. I am safe to receive. I am safe to be celebrated. I am grounded in truth. I am worthy always and forever. Take a deep breath. Place a hand on your heart. Repeat after me. I am inherently worthy. I don't have to earn it. I simply am. See you on day 9.